have just arrived at Luna Park and we are at Milson's Point. I've got my sister and her boyfriend with me for Halloween.
You don't own me. I'm lost in the garden souls. You don't own me. I'm gonna say I can't own other boys.
Am I in your vlog?
Welcome to the room, people who rooms with people that the loved one take tucked away. Just because the trigger guns at the door doesn't mean the brains will change from hand grenades. You'll never know psychopath sitting next to you. You'll never let the murdering sitting next to you. You'll think I'll get her sitting next to you. But after all I said, please don't forget. All my friends are here, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know that half will be abused.
The staff are zombies, so they keep staring at you. We are gonna go on a haunted house. Can't you hear the screams from inside?
Scared of Halloween.
I feel like they're gonna jump out any second.
I'm not scared of anything that goes boo. Scared of trick-or-treaters. I'm not
It wasn't
scared
that
of
bad.
big deaf eaters. I'm not scared of Halloween. Are you?
We are gonna go on our last ride of the night with my sister Nicole, and then we are done with our Halloween Luna Park Halloscream adventure.
My love, my drug. Oh, 'cause I've been on the run so long they can't find me. You're waking up to remember I'm pretty. And when the chemicals leave my body, yeah, they're gonna find me in a hotel lobby. 'Cause these stuff, times they keep coming all night, living and fucking. Some days I can barely breathe. And after we were high in the love dope, thought it was you. The pill I keep taking, nightmare I'm waking. There's nothing, no nothing, nothing but you. My perfect rock bottom, my beautiful trauma. My love, my love, my drug. Oh, my love, my love, my love, my drug. Oh, my love, my love. These tough times I keep coming. Last night I might have messed up again.
Well, that is the end of our Halloscream adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
There's nothing, no nothing, nothing but you. My